Today I'm making 4-ingredient chiffon cake. Start by separating 4 eggs. Scoop out any yolk that gets into the egg whites. In a bowl, add the 4 egg yolks, 60 grams of low gluten flour, 60 grams of oil, and 45 grams of water. Whisk the batter. At this point, optionally add flavoring. I'm using Pandan. In a large bowl, add the 4 egg whites from before and a splash of vinegar. I'm using a stand mixer, but a hand mixer would also work. Start blending on medium-high speed. After the egg whites are foamy, slowly add in 50 grams of sugar. I'm adding a spoonful at a time. Mix until the egg whites are at medium stiff peaks. Make sure it's not too stiff or else it will become hard to mix with the egg yolk mixture. Immediately add the egg yolk mixture to the egg whites. Then gently fold in the mixture. Pour the batter into a baking pan. I'm using a 7-inch pan with a removable bottom. The removable bottom makes the cake easy to take out. Smooth out the top and drop it on the counter a couple of times to get the big air bubbles out. Bake at 300 Fahrenheit or 150 Celsius for 1 hour. Right after it's done baking, drop the cake a couple times to break the air bubbles inside. Cool the cake upside down so it stretches out. Don't use a non-stick pan. Chiffon cakes need to stick to the bottom when you flip it upside down so it doesn't fall out. After the cake is completely cool, take it out of the pan. Use a knife to separate the edge of the cake from the pan. Next, use something tall to press the cake out. The inside is fluffy and moist. Pandan adds a grassy vanilla taste.